Basically, arrays and dictionaries are both collections of values. Let's first have a look at the array. We will declare a new array called myArray by saying var myArray is equal to square brackets lion, tiger and bear. In this case we have created a string array. While we can theoretically mix types in an array, it is recommended that unless you really know what you're doing, you use type-specific arrays, meaning only put values of one type in an array. In our case, strings. Well, we now have an array containing 3 animals. What can we do with it? Arrays have indexes, meaning each entry can be accessed with its own index. The index starts counting from 0, which is usual behavior in programming languages. In our case, lion would have the index 0, tiger the index 1, and bear the index 2. Now if we want to access the entry tiger, for example, all we would need to write is myArray square brackets 1. And in the right column our tiger appears. Dictionaries are quite similar, where they always store key value pairs which allow an easier access to values. Let's create one. Var myDictionary is equal to square brackets 3 colon uneven comma 4 colon even comma 5 colon uneven. Now this dictionary contains 3 entries with the key being a number string and the value representing whether the number is even or uneven. You always have to write a colon between key and value and divide the entries by a comma. Now as a little challenge, try if you can figure out how to access a value from our dictionary. Hint, it's pretty similar to the array, but you can use the key instead of the index. In this case, we would for example say myDictionary square brackets 3, and in the right column we get the value for this key, in this case uneven. In the next lecture, we'll have a look at manipulating arrays and dictionaries.